Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Akshay, and in today's session I'm going to be discussing about the topic Golgi Apparatus. If you guys want to learn more about the cell, its structure and its functions, then click subscribe and the bell icon. So let's do this together. Coming to the topic Golgi Apparatus. So in this figure you can see that this Golgi apparatus and this endoplasmic reticulum are closely related to each other. The membranous structures which are present in this Golgi apparatus are very similar to that of the membranous structures which are present in agranular endoplasmic reticulum. So this Golgi apparatus is composed of thin, flat and enclosed vesicular structures that lie near to one side of this nucleus. And this apparatus is more prominent in secretory cells. And these cells always extrude secretory substances. This Golgi apparatus is closely linked with this endoplasmic reticulum. So how this Golgi apparatus is closely linked with this endoplasmic reticulum? In the previous session of this endoplasmic reticulum, I have told that if this endoplasmic reticulum grows more than its particular limit, then the vesicles will start pinching off from this endoplasmic reticulum. And this pinched off vesicles will start migrating towards this Golgi apparatus. You can see these are the vesicular structures which are migrating towards this Golgi apparatus. Vesicles, Golgi apparatus. So in this way, the substances which are entrapped in this endoplasmic reticulum are transported towards this Golgi apparatus. From the Golgi apparatus, these substances are processed. And finally, these processed substances results in the formation of lysosomes, secretory cells and other cytoplasmic components. So that covers the topic Golgi apparatus. I hope you guys learned about this particular topic. Thank you so much guys. Love you all guys. See you guys in the next session.